children. How are you all? I know you all are safe at home, isn't it? Now you all are thinking who I am. So before we start, let me first introduce myself. My name is Suma and I'm going to teach you mathematics. Okay, so we will enjoy learning mathematics. It's like a journey. We will have so many surprises in the coming classes. But in today's class, we will see what all we have studied in fourth standard. Now you are in grade 5, isn't it? So we will try to recollect what we have studied in fourth standard. Okay, are you ready for that? Very good. So last years we have studied what is the smallest three-digit number. We have studied what is the smallest four-digit number, smallest five-digit number. Yes or no? Not only the smallest three-digit number, we also know what is the largest three-digit number. Now can you please tell me what is the smallest three-digit number? Who can tell me the answer? Yes, everyone is telling. The smallest three-digit number is 100. Now, what is the greatest or the largest three-digit number? It is 999. Now, who can tell me what is the smallest four-digit number? Oh, everyone is shouting, which is really not appreciated. Have to raise your hands if you have an answer. So, what is the answer? It is 1000. 1000 is the smallest four-digit number. So, what is the largest four-digit number? Absolutely correct. It is 9999. Now, we are not going to see what is the smallest five-digit number. Can someone tell me what is the smallest six-digit number? Oh, someone says it is 1 followed by 5 zeros. Is he correct? Yes. The smallest six-digit number is 1 lakh. See, 1 followed by 5 zeros. But do we say like that? No, we will read the number as 1 lakh. And what is the largest six-digit number? It is 9 lakh 99,990. Nine. Okay. Now see, when we are reading, how are we reading the numbers? We are reading the numbers as this number as 9 lakh 99,999. For reading and writing numbers, we use two types. What is it? International system of numeration or Indian system of numeration. So tell me by looking into this, is this international system or Indian system? Now you are having a confusion, isn't it? So let us first see what Indian system of numeration is. Okay. Have you heard about ones, tens, hundreds, then thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore? This way of representing numbers or writing numbers is known as Indian system of numeration. We will see the chart so that you will be able to understand better. So can you see there is a chart? This chart is known as Indian system. Okay, Indian place value chart. Indian place value chart. So we have ones, tens and hundreds and they are one group. Okay, and then we have thousands group. This is ones group. In ones group, what all do we have? We have ones, tens and hundreds. Then we have thousands group. What do we have? We have thousands group. In thousands group, what do we have? We have thousand and we have 10,000s. We have thousands and we have 10,000s. Then we have lakhs group. In lakhs group also we have two things. What are the things? Lakhs group and 10 lakhs. Lakhs and 10 lakhs. And then we have crores. In that again we have two crores and 10 crores. So only the first block we have three things. But in all other groups like thousands, lakhs and crores, we have only two things. In thousands group, what all do we have? We have thousands and we have 10,000. Now can you see a number here? The number 5 in 10 crores. Do we have any number? No, it's a 0. So there is no 10 crores. But we have 5 in the crores place, isn't it? So we have 5 crores. Then in 10 lakhs place we have 2. Lakhs place we have 1. So how do we write this number in Indian system? We will have to see, can you see these blocks or one group? After each and every group there should be a comma. So first we will write the number 52105747. You can write it together, but when you are putting a comma you should start only from ones. So 7 is in ones place, 4 is in tens place, again 7 is in hundreds place. After that or before 7 you will put a comma. Then we have 1000 and 10,000. Then before 0 you will put a comma, and then lakh, 10 lakh, and then we have crores group. Okay. So how will we read this number? We will read this number as 5 crore 21 lakh, isn't it? 21 lakhs 5,000. See, we have only 5,747. 747. So how do we read this number? 5 crores 21 lakhs 5,747. So see, the only the ones group we will have 3 digits, ones, tens and hundreds. Rest all it is group of 2. So 1,000, 10,000. Lakh, 10 lakh. Crore, 10 crore. Okay. Now let us see one more example so that you are clear with it. Okay. So what is a number? I have mentioned 2 in the 10, like 10 crores place. Which number is there in hundreds place? We have 0 in hundreds place. Now, can someone tell me 6 is in which place? What is the place value of 6? Since 6 is in lakhs place, the place value of 6 will be 6 lakhs. The place value of 6 will be 6 lakhs. What will be the place value of 5? Since 5 is in 10 lakhs place, it would be equal to 50 lakhs. It will be equal to 50 lakhs. Now let us see how to write the number in the Indian system, numeration system. Okay, according to Indian place value chart, how to write the number. See, the number is, see, can you see I have put commas here? So 23, how do we read this? 23 crores, 56 lakhs, 12,087. So how will we read it? 23 crores, 23 crores, 57 lakhs, 12,087. You have to write the number name, okay? 23, which I missed out. Okay, you have to write 23, spelling of 23. 23 crores, 56 lakhs, 12,087. Now, can you see this? This is international place value chart. International place value chart. Now, what is the difference between Indian place value chart and international place value chart? Can you see here? Everything is in the group of 3. In hundreds, we have 3. Thousands also we have 3. Millions also we have 3. And see how will we read it? We will read it as 928 millions. Okay. How do we read this number? We will read this number as 928, isn't it? So 928. Which group is this? Millions. So 928 millions, 650 thousands, 914. 914. So can we all read this number once again together? 928 millions, 650 thousands, 914. 914. I think we should be doing one more example so that it is clear for you. Can we do one more? Are you ready? Yes, everyone is ready. So here comes another example for you. Now here See, what is the number? 305 million. So who can read it for me? Okay, everyone is reading. Okay, you all can read with me. Okay, 305 millions, 672,000, 159. 159. So when we are writing the numbers also, did you see a comma here? So after the millions group we'll put a comma. Then after the thousands group another comma we will put. Okay. So we will write this number as 305 and then comma 672 comma and 159. And how will we read this number? 305,672,000 and 159. 159. Now I think it is very clear for you what is Indian place value chart and what is international place value chart. Are you all clear with it? I think you all have studied last year itself. This is only I'm telling this only so that you can recollect it. You would have forgot by this time, isn't it? So we are trying to recollect. Now let us see one example in Indian place value chart so that it becomes thorough for you. Okay. So here comes an example. Okay. So write the numbers in the place value chart. And what are we supposed to? We are supposed to read them and write. We have to read and write the number names. We have to read and write the number names. Okay. So let us see. What is the first question? The first question is, okay, we got a number. So if we are asked to represent in the place value chart, you all will have to draw the place value chart first. So can you see I have drawn a place value chart. I have drawn a place value chart. So what all things are there? What all things are there? We have ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore and 10 crore. So when you are having this number, the only thing which you have to take care is that you have to start from the last or the ones place number and you have to write the number in the ones place. So 9 I am writing in the ones place, 8 I have written in the tens place. Similarly, I have written all the digits. Okay. Now you can, by looking into this group itself, you can read and write the number name. So 10 lakh, lakh. So how will we read this? 23 lakhs. 23 lakhs. 56,789. So 23, because since we are having a lakhs group, okay. So 23 and then we'll put a comma. Then we will write the thousands group and then again we'll put a comma. And then we will write the ones group which is 789. So how will we read this or write the number name? 23 lakhs. Why are we saying lakhs? Because 23 is in the lakhs group, isn't it? 23 lakhs 56,789. Okay, so can we do one more example? Very good. So let us see. Okay, so let me just draw the number chart. See, I have drawn the number chart and I have put all these numbers in the place value chart, Indian place value chart. So now see, in the crores group, I'll put after the crores group, I put a comma. So after lakhs group, we have put a comma. After thousands group, we will have to put a comma. And then we will write the ones group. So how will we read this number? We will read this number as 80 crores. See, 80. So 80 crores, 56 lakhs, 78,000 and 23. 80 crores, 56 lakhs, 78,000 and 23. I hope all these things are clear to you. Is it clear to you? Now try to recollect. Are you able to recollect things? Very good. So what all we have seen today? We have seen how to read and write numbers. We know Indian place value chart and we have also seen international place value chart. So after this lesson is over, what will you do? You can take your textbook and the first chapter, exercise 1.1, I think you will be able to do all the questions. You will be able to do all the questions. So will you do? Are you all ready to do all the questions? Very good. So in the next class, I will ask you questions. Will you be able to give me an answer? Very good. And in the next class, there is a surprise for you. Now someone is asking what is the surprise? Ma'am, tell us the surprise. No, surprise. I will not tell the surprise now. It will be informed to you in the next class. Okay? See you all children. Take care and stay safe. We will meet in the next class. Bye.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.